RivalOut AI is a brand new software that's making waves in the AI space. If you've been curious about it or wondering whether it's right for you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about RivalOut AI and why this could be a game changer for your business or personal use. Stick with me until the end because I'll reveal exactly why I think this could be the best new AI tool you've never heard of. First off, RivalOut AI is designed to streamline and automate many of the tasks businesses and digital marketers struggle with daily. Whether it's content generation, customer insights, or social media management, RivalOut AI positions itself as an all-in-one solution. This software is still in its early days, but it promises big things. And the best part, you can actually try it out for free right now through the link in the description below. Let's dive into the core features. The first thing that stands out with RivalOut AI is its ability to analyze competitor data like never before. This tool takes the guesswork out of market analysis. It pulls data from a variety of sources to give you insights into your competition, what's working for them, and where they're slipping. You get real-time intelligence that helps you pivot quickly, which is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. Another impressive feature is its content generation abilities. RivalOut AI can help you create content that is not only relevant, but tailored to your target audience. It uses advanced natural language processing to generate blog posts, social media updates, email campaigns, and even video scripts that resonate with your audience. And let's not forget its SEO capabilities. RivalOut AI helps you optimize your content, making sure it ranks and reaches the right people. Now, one of the coolest aspects of RivalOut AI is its customer segmentation feature. It doesn't just look at your audience, it analyzes behavior, preferences, and even social signals to help you create more personalized campaigns. This level of targeting is crucial for any marketer looking to maximize their ROI and engagement. RivalOut AI doesn't just stop there. It's got deep integration with various platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and more. This makes it easier to manage all your campaigns from one dashboard. You can monitor performance, adjust strategies on the fly, and even automate tasks, saving you time and effort. For those in sales, RivalOut AI has a robust lead generation tool that can automatically find high-quality leads based on your target criteria. It then nurtures those leads with personalized messaging, guiding them down the sales funnel until they convert. This automated process makes it easier than ever to scale your business without hiring an entire sales team. Now, I want to mention RivalOut AI's analytics. This tool doesn't just give you surface-level stats, it provides in-depth insights that let you measure the success of your campaigns and strategies. It helps you understand which tactics are actually working so you can optimize future efforts for even greater success. But here's the kicker. RivalOut AI's pricing structure is designed to be affordable, especially compared to some of the bigger players in the market. You're getting access to high-quality AI technology without breaking the bank. To wrap up, RivalOut AI offers a powerful suite of tools that can help you save time, increase your productivity, and improve your digital marketing efforts. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, RivalOut AI has something for everyone. And like I said earlier, you can try it out for free right now by clicking the link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and RivalOut AI stands out as one of the most promising options I've come across in a long time. Check the description for my other recommended AI tools you can try for free. Trust me, you won't want to miss these.